Imagine this. One day you step outside and look up at the sky, but today the moon doesn't look like it usually does. It's slowly getting bigger. Every moment, every second, it's inching closer to Earth. Now think about it. What if the moon actually started falling toward Earth? First, the oceans would go into chaos. The tides would be so violent that entire coastal civilizations would be swallowed by the sea. Cities like Mumbai, New York, and Tokyo would be underwater in no time. The moon's massive gravitational pull would throw our satellites out of orbit. GPS would stop working. Mobile networks, internet, TV, everything dead. The world would be sent back centuries in a single instant. Inside the Earth, turmoil would erupt. Earthquakes would happen every day. Volcanoes would start exploding. And when the moon got very close to Earth, our planet's gravity would tear it apart. The moon would shatter into millions of pieces and beautiful rings, just like Saturn's, would form around Earth. If any humans survived that destruction, every night they would see meteor showers of glowing moon dust in the sky. Beautiful, but at the cost of total devastation. Now, let's go back a little bit. The year was 1977. Humans tried to tell the story of their planet to the universe for the first time. NASA launched two spacecraft named Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Their goal was to take advantage of a rare alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These spacecraft did what had never been done before. They sent back the first close-up images of the outer planets and their moons, but there was something else on these spacecraft, the Golden Record. This wasn't just a record, it was the soul of Earth. It contained humanity's greatest musical compositions, the sound of ocean waves, the rustling of wind, the laughter of children, messages in dozens of languages saying, "We are the inhabitants of Earth, we come in peace." Carl Sagan called it Earth's time capsule. If one day humans are wiped out, it's possible that this record will be the only proof of our existence in the entire universe. Now imagine a picture, black, endless space, and in it, a lone human being. In 1984, an astronaut was floating 100 meters away from the space shuttle without any tether. Now let's talk about the universe's most mysterious force, black holes. When two black holes collide, they shake the very fabric of space and time. These are called gravitational waves. Einstein predicted this 100 years ago, but humans were only able to prove it in the year 2015. An instrument on Earth named LIGO measured a vibration so tiny it was smaller than an atom. It was proven the universe truly vibrates. Now, a story that might make you emotional. A rover named Opportunity was sent to the planet Mars. It was built to last for only 90 days, but it survived for 14 years. It traveled more than 28 miles. It felt the soil of the red planet. Then one day, a massive dust storm hit Mars. The sunlight disappeared, and Opportunity sent its final message. "My battery is low and it's getting dark." After that, silence. Did you know sunsets on Mars are blue? The fine dust there scatters blue light much better, and the sun looks smaller there because Mars is further away from it than Earth. Now, let's talk about a giant monster in the sky. Betelgeuse, a red giant star. Scientists believe it is in the final stage of its life. When it explodes, it will be visible even during the day, and at night it will cast shadows on the ground. No need to fear though, it is at a safe distance from us. Black holes are so dark that seeing them seemed impossible, but humans use the entire Earth like a telescope. By connecting telescopes from all over the world, the first real image of a black hole was taken. These weren't drawings, these weren't imagination. This was reality. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned around and took one last picture of Earth. A tiny pale blue dot. Carl Sagan wrote, "That's here, that's home, that's us."